Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSAM Manipur. Unit 3 Calculus. Topic Differentiability. Subtopic Concept of exponential and logarithmic functions and their derivatives. Exercise 5.4. Exponential functions and its derivatives. Exponential function is defined as y equal to f of x equal to a to the power x, a greater than 0 and a cannot be 1, whose domain is R and range is R positive, that is set of positive real numbers. Y equal to a to the power x where a is greater than 0 and a cannot be 1, whose domain is R and range is set of positive real numbers. Exponential function with base 10 and e are called the common exponential function and natural exponential function. A asibu base kawi a na 10 orabadi common exponential function kawi base asina e orabadi madubu natural exponential function kawi. Limit of 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power x when x tends to infinity is equal to e. What is e? E equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus up to infinity. Sigi infinite series asigi phangakpa value adubu e na khangnagani. E haibasi 2 amasung 3 gi marakta leiba number amani masi e rational number da oragadi 2.7 something. Ayekpa graph asida asangba sinasi y equal to e to the power x natural exponential function gi graph ni. Graph asina y axis pu 0 1 da unagane aduga y x axis pu sungu unaroi. X axis pu mana sunga ka oi. Any real value of x na y cannot be 0. Prove that d by dx of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. Past principle ki prove toksi. Let f of x equal to e to the power x, then f dash x equal to limit of f of x plus x minus f of x by x tends to 0. Then f of x plus x ki function value the e to the power x plus x. F of x ki directly e to the power x by x. E to the power x common logtocracy e to the power x minus 1 by x. Sigal limit chidi e to the power x is standard result ne limit ki 1 tare. E to the power x tare. Sidagi koina khange d by dx of e to the power x ki e to the power x oigani. Khangjan bayaba amadi d by dx of a to the power x d a to the power x into log a ne. Logarithmic function and its derivatives. A logarithmic function is defined as f of x equal to log of x to the base a, where a is greater than 0, a cannot be 1, and x should be greater than 0, whose domain is set of positive real numbers and range is R. Number 2. Logarithmic function with base 10 and e are called common logarithm and natural logarithm. Natural logarithm function with base e is also denoted by log x without e base. Ayekpa diagram asida y equal to log x to the base e gi natural logarithmic function gi graph ni. Masina y axis pu sungchok sokte. Aduga x axis pu 10 haiba point asida soe. Logarithm of a number to a given base is the index of the power to which the base must be raised so as to get exactly the given number. Thus, log of n to the base a is x if and only if n equal to a to the power x. N equal to a to the power x the log that you hierarchy log n to the base a is equal to x. Number 1. Rule number 1. Properties on logarithm. Log of product of two numbers to the base a is equal to log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. Haibadi logarithm of product of two numbers is the sum of the logs of the functions numbers. log of m by n is log of m minus log of n. Log of m to the power n power kaba masing log log silabadi power do log ki mamang da lakani haibadi n times of log of m to the base a. Log of m to the base a assume the log of m divided by log of a haini itokpa yai. Hariba property sing se khangjin gadabani. Log of a to the base a is 1. Log of 1 is 0. E to the power log x is x, where x should be greater than 0. Prove that d by dx of log x to the base e is 1 by x. Let us prove. Let f of x equal to log x to the base e. Then f dash x is limit of f of x plus x minus f of x by x tends to 0. Limit of f of x plus x the log of x plus x minus f of x the log of x whole divided by x. Log khaidok narabadi log a nabada phongdo a log of x plus x by x, that is 1 plus x by x. Rewrite to see standard limit phangnaba log of 1 plus x by x si makhagi x asisu x by x thamnanabagi damak x na yelasi balance to see 1 by x na limit ki mamang na thamasi 1 by x have a factor si x tagi x yaugdabo oibani na constant unity to gani mafam masida 1 by x si the standard limit sigi matung in the mahaki limiting value di 1 ore, that gives 1 by x. Exercise 5.4. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Function ani divide tonabani piramiba function ji y ga manahalasi dy by dx quotient rule pansi function ani yenabagi differentiation rule makhagi function do matakta hana thamo into mataki derivative ex ki ex ore formula gi minus mataki function ex thamani lengdana into derivative of makhagi function ibadi sin s ki derivative na purisilani sin s ki derivative with respect to x ki cos x ni whole divided by makhagi function ki square ibadi sin s square, which can be written as sin squared x. Evaluate toraga simplest form da thame machine piriba function sigi derivative ni assume na 2 asisu e the power something kare adon logic dy by dx putoxi we get e to the power something ki derivative e to the power something into d by dx of something, that is sin inverse of x. Sin inverse x ki derivative ti 1 by root over 1 minus x square ni masi bu assume na thame assume na derivative putokle. Number 3, y equal to e to the power s cube. Therefore, dy by dx is e to the power s cube into d by dx of x cube. S cube की derivative t thrice x square ni in times of e to the power x cube. Number 4, pyramid function ji y ga mana hale sine of something. Therefore, central policy dy by dx equal to sine of something the cos of something into d by dx of something, that is function tan inverse of e to the power minus x. Again, its derivative is tan inverse of something the 1 by 1 plus something square into d by dx of something in the x uramdabagi e to the power minus s ki derivative na purisulani maha ki derivative ki di shiftare ma e to the power minus s ki derivative e to the power minus x into d by dx of minus x asine x tagi different oirabanina d by dx of minus x na purisulani minus s की derivative t minus 1 तारे असुमना पिरामिड फंक्शन से की derivative पुथोगले. Number 5, log of cos of e to the power x. पिरामिड फंक्शन से y का मान हले dy by dx the log of something की 1 by of something into d by dx of something, that is cos e to the power x. वहाँ की derivative थी cos of something की minus sin of something into d by dx of something, that is e to the power x. e to the power s की e to the power x तारे मदन sin ममांग थंकरे minus e to the power x into sin of e to the power x divided by cos of e to the power x, which can be written as minus e to the power x tan of e to the power x. Assume number 6, pyramid function जी y का मान हलसी dy by dx e to the power x की e to the power x e to the power x square की e to the power x square into twice x plus e to the power x cube की e to the power x cube into x cube की derivative thrice x square plus e to the power x power 4 की e to the power x power 4 into x power 4 की derivative t 4x cube plus e to the power x power 5 की e to the power x power 5 into x power 5 की derivative ती 5x power 4 हारिबा पोर्सी अमुक simplest form न थमे असोन मागी derivative सु पुथोकने number 7 पिरामी बा फंक्शन जी y का मान हले root over of something therefore dy by dx is root over of something की derivative 1 by 2 root over of something into d by dx of something है बे e to the power root over x माँ की derivative ती e to the power something की दी e to the power something into d by dx of root over s की दी 1 by 2 root over x ni simplest form द कक्थट नरगा थमाबदी last ती कोई we get this which is the required derivative. Number 8 log of log x pyramid of function the y का मान है ले dy by dx the log of something the 1 by log x into d by dx of log x log x की exactly 1 by x अदुना होजी 1 by of x log x फंगे. Number 9 pyramid of function the y का मान है ले quotient rule पालसी dy by dx of makha की function मथक ता हाना iro into मथक की function की derivative हाई बदी cos x की derivative ती minus sin x न पूरी चले minus मथक की function cos x remains unchanged into derivative of makha की function that is log x की derivative 1 by x whole divided by log x whole square which gives this which is the required derivative. Or number 10 pyramid of function से y का मान है ले therefore dy by dx ती cos of something the minus sine of something into d by dx of something that is log x plus e to the power x वहाँ की derivative थी log x की दी 1 by x e to the power s की दी e to the power x simplest form द थमा बदी असुम न थमे मशीन मा की पुथोकदब derivative बदल